Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming the angle that forces enemies into the latch path. You want predictable movement. Once done, check Azure Latch is ready and Kunigami's ultimate is nearly charged, so you can chain instantly. Make sure to call your initiation to teammates. They peel or follow up damage, because the ult's window is brief. Move calmly into position, bait a single hero, and be ready to trigger Azure Latch the instant you commit to the ultimate. You start the combo by firing Azure Latch to tether an enemy. This secures their movement so your ult lands cleanly. Then, without hesitation, activate Kunigami's ultimate to displace them, target walls or edges to maximize environmental kills. Once done, keep your crosshair slightly ahead of the target to account for momentum. Make sure to pause the fraction of a second recommended for your ping, about 0.3 to 0.6 seconds, to avoid the target slipping free. You finish by capitalizing on the displaced target. Immediately follow up with burst damage or crowd control so the elimination is fast. If the enemy survives or escapes, make sure to use Azure Latch again to re-engage or to reposition defensively. You want to maintain tempo. Finally, if things go wrong, adjust timing. Increase the tiny delay if enemies consistently cancel movement, or shorten it if you overshoot. Practice this rhythm to make the combo reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.